Okay, there were some questions about what to do for the end of today's assignment, the modeling. So all we're doing for the model is creating an explanation of why we think the lava lamp is working like it does. So for number 6 in your lab, you can come here, you can draw a diagram using Google Draw, or you can do it in your notebook and post a picture. But let's say you were going to use Google Draw. You click on the image, and I'd already put some things in here. But what you can do is you can start to kind of insert some drawings and explanations that kind of show your understanding of how the lava lamp works. It doesn't need to be correct. This is just what we think. We're going to figure this out over time. So let's say I wanted to add something that shows the light, because a lot of you talked about you turned the light on and that's when it started working. So something about the light, all right, is making this work. So I inserted in an object here. I changed the color just for me to help it out. And then I'm going to write a little kind of description here. So I went and I inserted a text box, right? And then I put it right here, and I'm going to say the light. And then I'll explain why I think the light does what it does. And I can even, if I want, just clarify that this is the light. I can put an arrow, all right? And if I want to highlight that, make sure a text box connected, I can even, put a border around it. And then you can do something, you want to draw those patterns. So what people drew in the Jamboard was going up, all right, and then kind of coming around and then coming, So we see some patterns that people were showing like this. You can draw the patterns and then include explanations like this. This is moving up because, moving up. I can't type on this keyboard. Moving up because. So you can, put in some explanations and some arrows. And then this is moving down because, and this whole thing works. So it's basically you're putting together your explanation diagram. Now you can, and then when you're done, you can just save, right? And you can make it bigger if you need to fit everything in. Or what you can do is you can do a picture. So if you want to draw a picture, I like drawing on notebooks much better. And then you can go click on this image, and then you can insert your picture here. You can insert image here. And you can go down to even just your camera. And I can't use the camera right now because I'm on screen, so I can't use both at once. But you can put your image in front, all right? You can take a picture and then insert the image that way. All right, so that is what we're working on for today.